Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Very serious video for y'all today. This Uber driver was just arrested. We're gonna get into the latest on this video. Please thumbs it up. This was a nightmare, situation here. And yeah, we're gonna get right into this video right after we thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible app that is actually providing drivers with an awesome guaranteed rate. So when you go out and drive, and if you don't make that amount, they're gonna pay you the difference. Some drivers are making a lot of money just for going out. Look at that, $274 guaranteed and scheduled 6 hours. You can sign up for like these little shifts here, $38 at 11 a.m. for DoorDash. Anyways, when you sign up, they're gonna send you $15 just for using our link and linking your gig account. It's super easy. So sign up. They have a free version nationwide where you sign up, get your 15 bucks. Check out the app, and yeah, let's get started. Uber driver was just charged in the murder of Houston pastor during possible road rage incident. A suspect has been arrested and charged in the death of a Houston pastor, rest in peace, in what authorities have called a potential road rage incident. Ronald Mouton Sr., 58, the pastor of the East Bethel Missionary Baptist. Wow, so sad. So sad. Moment of silence. He was shot in his own vehicle on June 24th along the city's Gulf Freeway, not far from the church where he served more than 3 decades. This guy was served for 3 decades. It's so sad. If any of y'all go to church, I mean, you realize like the pastor is literally the community's like backbone. I can't imagine what the whole church community must be feeling right now. I mean, this just has to be so heartbreaking. Yeah, I mean, funeral underway for the pastor. Yeah, I mean, okay, let's keep reading. July 29th, authorities arrested Deshaun Longmire, a 23-year-old Uber driver from Pearland, and charged him with Mouton's murder. Witnesses allegedly saw 2 men arguing at a stoplight from inside their own vehicles. Mouton was driving a Beamer, and Longmire was driving for Uber in a black Honda sedan with tinted windows. Witnesses told police that when both vehicles started moving, Longmire stretched out his arm of the driver window with a pistol in his hand. Oh my gosh. He's currently being held on a $500,000 bond. I mean, you can just get out, and $500,000 seems like a lot of money, especially for that, charge that grave. He was not just a great man inside the church, but outside the church walls. He was a family man, a loving husband, father, and a great human being. Oh my gosh, he has a wife and children. This is so sad. I'm so sad right now. It is horrible. Guys, I just want to share this video with you all. Please say your prayers for him, for this pastor. I mean, just, I guess some road rage happened and this Uber driver, I don't know. I mean, what's the point? I mean, unless it was some sort of self-defense, but I mean, I can't imagine this, pastor was really causing any sort of threat to the guy. So anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video there. Let me know your thoughts on this. And yeah, guys, just please stay safe out there and never get into road rage with people. It's not worth it. If somebody cuts you off, just let them go. Don't start cussing. You never know. This is a good safety tip. Just let them go. Just let it be. Somebody cuts you off, let them cut you off. You don't need to cut them off and then cause some, people getting into crashes and getting mad and stuff. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Yeah, please check out Solo. Solo is helping a lot of drivers make a lot of extra money, make decent income while, inflation is so high. And they will be sending all of you guys $15 when you sign up with our link down below and linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and God bless.